But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl, dear. Hi guys, what's up? So welcome back to my channel. Today's video. Oh, by the way, before I go any further in this, let me just pause and let's say a prayer. Thank you, Jesus, for everything that you've been doing for each and every one of us. I pray that you will continue to bless us in whatever journeys we plan to take on, whatever lanes we plan to go down. Dear God, if it is only you, and if it is not you, then it will never be anybody else. Father Jesus, I put my trust, my faith, and my hope in you that my channel will grow. And I hope every single body on here watching my channel, if they have a channel, it will grow too. Or if whatever businesses they have, it will prosper. In your loving name I pray. Amen. What's up? So hi guys. So anyways, me in another long talking. Today we're going to do another story time. You don't know what time it is. Over here, so you get the baddest, wickedest, real lifetime stories. Yeah, I'm going to ask guys. So right about now, I'm going to tell you guys the topic of the story. So today's topic is he got someone else pregnant. I'm telling you about how I find out say somebody else actually pregnant. And also, I need to clear up a few things with you guys. So, like, see with me, don't leave. Watch the video to the end. Don't skip the ads. You don't know what the thing go. You don't know what the strips. So I'm gonna have to tell you again. Watch the video to the end. Do not skip the ads. Alright, so watch this. Then I uploaded 2 videos. One was when I think when our first time, my experience with a girl. The other one was he took my virginity, my experience with a guy. Now I have persons calling me out on social media. They're being rude and stuff because they're saying that, oh well, I already did a story time about my ex-boyfriend, which I named him Banana in the first story. He took my virginity, so how is it that I have another story time saying that my cousin took my virginity, so they're calling me out? But I think those persons actually did not watch the story, because if they did, then they'd understand. One is a female and one is a male. Yeah, one is a female and one is a male. What happened with my female cousin happened like long before I actually met my ex-boyfriend that actually took my real virginity. So I want you guys to like not call me out and not be all blah because of nonsense. Just really like watch the videos to the end, and then you will like honestly understand what's actually going on in the videos. With that said, welcome back again. I hope that you guys are having a blessed and spirit-filled day. Remember always, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want, and me proud of myself. Alright, people. So as I told you, the topic for today is when I found out he had another baby or a lot of other babies. I'm not even going into the whole of them, but I'm gonna give you guys one of the experiences when I first found out. So me and Banana, no, Banana is a different person, guys. Remember, I was never in just one relationship. I am 23 and I have had different boyfriends. It was never one person. So, don't stop judge me, okay? Thank you very much. So, Banana, different Banana, not the first Banana with my virginity, is another Banana this now. So, Banana, right? Me and Banana, good. Like, we used to live together and everything like that. All the good stuff. We know all the good stuff. So me and Banana, good at everything. Please ignore the bitch. Sorry. Please ignore the persons in the back, because just ignore them. Honestly, just ignore them. Because of Boomsy, and me and Banana, like, we're in a relationship. We're in a big ass relationship. Everybody knows about us. Like, literally everybody knows about us. My mother, my whole family, everybody, best friend, them, everybody. So it's like one day I remember his mom called me. I think it was her birthday. I don't even remember, but at this point in time, we weren't even that close because I just met her. So I never really know her that long. You know, like when you just meet the mother, and you know, the mother going to tell you everything when you just meet her because she wants to be like your best friend, and she wants you to be her best friend or whatever it is. So the thing is, when a man bring home like 3 different women to meet his mother, it's like normal for her. It just gets so normal that she probably like just lose herself and don't even know how to act because she don't know who is the right out one. So it's like his mother, but his mother is like very outspoken. His mother legit don't hide nothing. She don't hide nothing. If the man foot broke and the man head big and the man arm green and the man want stink, she had the type of person who go to him and say, listen, like you have a breath problem, you have an arm problem, you have an attitude problem. Yeah, she tell him as is right pan the spot and she not business the circumstances after just so she stay and that's so she I go dead. Man, I ask Jesus. So I'm going to say boom bam 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 bliff now, you know. And me hear Goody Diddy and it's like, I meet her at Mandeville for the first time. Run a Bankhouse Mall back for the people who know Bankhouse Mall back. Run the meat shop. I just meet her for the first time. First time I meet her, she looked at me, you know. She and him sister and they were like, you are going to breed. You have to breed. Me not ask Jesus. You have to give me 2 grand picnic or whatever. So, love her. Sorry. I laugh it off. I never to really look deep in it because I say, yo, I just simple. You know, I shot that. I just mouth talk, just a talk. People, come like the man have ghost mouth. Anyway, yes, I'm going to boom now. And it's like, I didn't meet her first for the first time, but I never go to her place or nothing. So it's like about 3 weeks or so after that now, I end up going to her place because, yeah, I did her birthday because she born October, I think. October, yeah, she born October. And I did her birthday, so I did for carry 1 quarter red label wine go get her, because I'm asking her when she wants to pay her birthday, she wants a quarter red label wine. So by the quarter red label wine now, with some other goodables, and I go down they go look for her. If I say I'm a teeth apple, and I go down they go look for her now. So it's like when I reach down there now, me and this thing I will deep reason and think, you don't know them go catch you bring some go give them now, them feel like you're God. Or not even say you're God, but them like you, like, you know, them like, you know. And so them attack and them tell you the things them. Oh, no, what say? Good body make fear mouth slip. As a matter of fact, I mean, I think I make sure make her mouth slip, you know. Good body just rub and chant, tell me, say, look, your man have another woman pregnant. Me say what you say? She say, your man have another woman pregnant. Me turn idiot, my head lick, me lick screw. Look here. If you cut me, I never find no blood, literally. Me not ask Jesus, cause me, I wonder like, what that woman you talk about? Cause me I say, brother, like, you could have did explain to me and make me know, say, like, you have somebody else, very, cause me is a girl, you know, me love, me don't know, me like her, me love, but me love hard, and me love to myself. Me not to believe, say, me and you and she supposed to in love with you. I don't believe that. It's supposed to be me and you, we love. Then again, people may never say, man cannot cheat, you know. They can cheat, but, there's a big but. Me no want, when them a do them cheating, them end up cheat and left me. How it go? When me and you in a relationship and you cheat and then you left me, then me I go look, me I go left lonely and sad and alone and all of them little bad stuff there, and then I might either go lose and then I may go get migraine and then I may go walk up and down on the road with bag over my head and dirty clothes and tear up and them all of them galamins them and I mean people are go lick and say, come over the road mad girl. You don't know what they there? Yeah. So me not understand how my good nice clean person banana figure and get somebody else pregnant. So me now did start fast from there so. Because in my mind, me I say, banana can never do me that. That nah go work, banana. That cannot work. So me know with my enough self gonna make big speech, but well, when your mother tell me not hear me, well, he never tell me say I'm nobody pregnant, and if me find out say nobody else pregnant, me gonna bone my business. Hear the mother she know. So you are gonna make people take your man. You are gonna make people take for your man. Because them pregnant and ray. Good body. After me did and feel like say I lie mama iPad telling no say. Me the idiot now because I want thing with me no me always me love the investigation. Me pay people all money. Hi. No stop me one friend when I'm tunas same so my friend stay now. If my friend come to me right now she feel like her boyfriend had something and she said, dear, come here man. Remember one time we there in a mother sit down and my friend come on and my friend say, no man something wrong. Cause you know what? Yeah, and she says, no man, something wrong. And I say, what wrong, sis? And she say, her man do something what she feel like. And she say, something wrong. But then me know enough about the man, because me and the man really, really close. But I go tell her the really, I'm my cousin. Yeah, my cousin. So I say, hear me now. Give me $1,000. Let me tell you what I go. And my friend, she want $1,000 for me, Yes! My friend, she want $1,000 for me, my friend. And that me I tell you, I'm feel good. Come here, say, and me turn super spy now. I'm in a business because me I get my money, so me I talk the things them. Yeah, because you know, so especially when I know I'm not big for talk, I just look no sign, just not text the car, in phone mash up her, you not text the car and be not wash her. You know what they little easy sus there, but me still I take my money for talk, but you know easy. You want to know what your man do, you got to pay me. If you want to know what your man doing, you got to pay me, sis. Yes, your people hear me. Lord of God, me stress right out. So yeah, me I tell her say, me will pay, yeah girl, me will pay for investigation get done. Man I ask Jesus that cause me's a girl, me love watch my man. Them are too big all yeah. You see how my eye them big? You see how my eye them big? God give me them to make sure say me watch what is mine. And if you are a man, me I watch you. Me I go watch you. If you are for me I watch you. Don't business how you want to feel about it. I are watching you. So me go so boom bam 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 flick now. And I start do some investigation, people. Yeah, I start do some investigation. Cause me not make no boy come make people laugh at her. Laugh at her. Oh, this a ugly girl, yeah? You mad. So I go so boom bam 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 flick now. And the boy did them. And I start do some investigation, my love. I start the investigation. Who do not know say? One day, for my boyfriend now come to me and tell me say, make me and him go up my auntie, go up a film auntie house because him have some people where I go down a film place and no space now out there for me and him. So make some people go up there and say, no, say. When me and my people them gone up a film people them, him make film people them, gone down a film people them yard. Yes. And then me the big dum up a him people them feel say everything done him other people them good. That time there him having people them done and people them and media up and people them. So me now I wonder what really I want, cause me feel like you want come take me for a big dummy and me not dummy now. So me really want to know what's going on, what's popping, what's lacking, my nigga, what's going on. I want to know. I need to know. Yeah. So I start get cross and my angry and miserable and everything. I want to get to the bottom of this today. So me now use my big monkey brain pan him. Hear me now. Me I go down at your place, Me I go down at your place because my clothes them, I don't know me want to go down there, go get fresher clothes and sit. That time, no go so. Cause remember, once we as female, they're on few man. If we have one panty can last we all 1 year. Cause we just get up and wash that. Today is no panty day and tomorrow is panty day. Sis? Any of my little with a stone ball out in the comment section, spam it up and say, whoa, you lick my sis. Yeah. Because me I want to know, say, as long as we like our man that much, as long as our man can deal with we properly, we ain't going nowhere. We don't go nowhere. All if I want party, we carry movie now, we not left. Good man into you, she. Hey. Bombard. Blah, laugh. Yeah, people. So that my try she wanna say, he might try to take me for a clown, no, he might try grown me, with film big brain. Cause I feel like film brain wonderful more than for anybody else. Film brain a size 40 and my brain a size 3. So me go so boom now because you lie to me and me no like that. So me now go so boom. I'ma say me I go down at your place because this a place yeah, me not too like it. So me I go down at that the place there, go get close to come back at this a place. Since this a place that you want to say, anyway you them me are there. If I road we are sleep and we doing it together. So sis, me go stop boom now, Zine. And the nigga say no, you can't go down there. Me say me can't go down there. No down there we live. What me can't go down there? Because people down there and him a go down there, so him we carry clothes come give me. Me say Irks, sir, back up, wrong lane, wrong country. You need to rewind. Yeah, come here say something. It's like you lick your brain, you know. You lick one part of your head chip off or something. Cause you feel like you are going good on the stuff. I mean, you make a sad mistake. Something are wrong with you. Some of us are boom now, sister. Me I say, friendly. Me not run them joke with you, brother. Me not run them joke with you. You need to chill. So bad man go so boom now and say, yo, like, him will go for the clothes and me say, me a come down there, me a come down there. So you know me to make him left. So when he left, me just call him and say, a taxi me a look, me a come now. But no, you can't come, me a something for talk to you, boy. Me say, what? We have to talk to me, boy. He said, just don't leave. Me I carry close to you when I come here, go sit down and talk it. But the truth is, when him come back, him tell me the truth. Him tell me, say, yes, like, somebody pregnant for him. According to him, them never in a relationship. Well, no, not before they get pregnant. No, know that they're pregnant, them not dead. That him say so. Him say, know that they're pregnant, they're not together. And, like, I'm first youth. And one heap of something me I tell you, no brother, like, one of the wickedest news me did get in my life. Me never know how I digest that are the truth. Like, me did really feel it. The honest truth is, I felt that. I felt that so... Yo, that lit me for 40, not even 6, because 6 never go so far. It lit me, I tell you. Like, it lit me cheap. But the thing is, he was a gentleman about it, though. He sat me down. But me think that he could have tell me for earlier, because when him tell me the belly did reach, about 5 months, yeah, when him actually tell me the truth, the belly did reach about 5 months. And then when him mother did tell me that somebody pregnant, him could have be a man about it and say, babe, like, yeah, I don't like mommy I tell you know? Like how the mother done crack the egg. Just finish, drop it and broke it, no? And then wipe me up when you're done. But this man patch the womb, them man nurse me back to life. And then I go come tell me, say, I have something to tell me. Me no feel like someone come tell me, say, will you marry me? Me never hear that yet. Lord Jesus, me stress right out. Yeah, me I tell you no, I feel so bad now myself. Because me I say, nigga, like, baby, like, boo, like, why? Like, I want me couldn't do so for make you go and breed other people. But then me realize, say, the girl did breed, like, before me know him. Because me and him did start talk, like, about 4 months or so now. And the girl did 5 months. So, whether me did like it or not, the baby did it before me. And me can never try to replace a man pitney. So, ladies, if you're not in a one situation like that, don't be the dumb-dumb. Do not be the dumb-dumb. Never you try to separate a man from him child. Because at the end of the day, that's a go turn around and bite you. It's a go turn around and bite you. And you're not gonna like it. So ladies, like seriously, like if you find out say your nigga, your boyfriend have somebody else pregnant, please do not. I repeat, do not try to push that child out of his life. Do not try to tell him how to deal with his baby mamas. Like, I mean that we all have jealousy problems. We all get jealous and things like that. But at the end of the day, like, somebody's baby mama is their baby mama. Their baby daddy is their baby daddy. And they go love them until they give them a reason to not love them no more. So what me and you for try stepping at that time, make them feel like them less than what them feel like them have. Make them work out them thing. When them work it out, if one of them still there, just say go. Because at the end of the day, like, when people love people love, when people love people love hard, my nigga, yeah. So, like, seriously, that's how I found out that he got somebody else pregnant. And I was pissed. I wanted to kill him. But I couldn't. I wasn't, me not bad. Me not bad them the way, me no. Hey. Yeah, people. So, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will be shouting out the channels that leave the best comments. Also, the channels that are consistent on my videos that comment. So remember to always watch the videos till end. You're always gonna be seeing surprises and prizes in my videos. And I have to just give time after this whole thing done. Everything get back to normal. Unos bless. All of we bless. I love you guys. Peace out.